Imagine a quiet evening in Japan. Outside the window are small, spotless streets, with warm yellow lights falling gently onto low rooftops. In a small room in Okinawa, an 82-year-old woman has just folded her kitchen towel, turned off the living room lights, and slowly walked toward her bed. But what surprises scientists is not her age. It's the lightness in every step she takes. In Japan, the percentage of people over 80 who can still walk independently and take care of themselves is 3 times higher than in the United States and Europe. And that doesn't come from genetics. It doesn't come from supplements. It certainly doesn't come from intense exercise routines. A 2025 survey by Tohoku University revealed something fascinating. More than 72% of Japanese adults aged 75 to 90 share one strange but simple nightly habit. Before going to bed, they perform a series of micro-movements, tiny, gentle motions that relax the muscles, reduce pain, and activate blood circulation. When European researchers tested this routine on older adults, the results forced them to reconsider many things they thought were certain. Reduced morning back pain and stiffness by 67%. Improved deep sleep by 62%, measured with sleep trackers. Reduced nighttime awakenings at 2 to 3 a.m. by 61%. Noticeably reduced leg numbness and cramping, especially in adults over 70. The University of Copenhagen called them bedtime recovery movements, gentle motions that help the body repair itself during sleep. The most interesting part? These movements don't look like exercise at all. They don't make you breathe heavily. They don't hurt. They require no equipment. You can do them on your bed, on a chair, or beside your bed in just a few minutes. In Okinawa, the land of longevity, when elderly women aged 80 to 90 were asked about their secret, many simply smiled and said, "We always do a few small movements before bed so the body doesn't stiffen overnight." Crescent Moon Night Longevity Ritual, your own evening ceremony. Tonight, imagine you are in that same quiet little room. You sit on the edge of your bed, back relaxed and upright. You don't need sports clothes. You don't need a mat. You don't need any equipment. It's just you, your body, and a few gentle movements. If practiced nightly, after only a few days, most older adults feel a less muscle tension accumulated during the day, better nighttime blood circulation, deeper sleep, fewer awakenings, reduced leg cramps and numbness, warmer limbs, no more cold feet keeping you awake, less morning back pain and stiffness, a calmer mind, lighter spirit. Now, let's walk through all 10 movements, as if they were a story, your personal nightly ritual. Keycap 1 Neck rotation, awakening the deep sleep nervous system. You sit firmly and relax your shoulders. Slowly lower your chin toward your chest. Bring your head to the left, circle it back, then to the right. It looks like a simple neck circle, but inside, your entire nervous system is being woken up. Osaka University found that slow, smooth neck rotations increase blood flow to the brain by 21%. That means clearer thinking, better balance, a nervous system reset after a long day. In a study of 320 Japanese adults over 65, the group that practiced nightly neck rotations reported neck and shoulder stiffness reduced by 64%, morning dizziness nearly cut in half, time needed to fall asleep decreased by 37%, deep sleep increased by 43%. You rotate your neck with your breath. Inhale as your head turns right. Exhale as it circles left. Imagine your neck as a smooth hinge being oiled. No forcing, no pain, just a gentle stretch. After 1 to 2 minutes, your neck warms up and your head feels lighter. That's when your nervous system is ready for real deep sleep, not that half asleep, half awake state many people fall into. Keycap 2 Shoulder rolls, releasing the day's tension. Throughout the day, your shoulders have lifted countless times. While cooking, using your phone, or worrying about something. Now, you let your arms relax and roll your shoulders slowly, deeply, widely. Every circle helps. Loosen shoulder muscles. Reduce neck heaviness. Ease the pressure in your head. As you roll your shoulders, your chest opens, your breaths lengthen, and your heart rate naturally slows down. It's a clear signal to your body. It's time to rest, not fight. Blood circulates more freely to the neck and brain, reducing light dizziness, head tension, neck-shoulder pain when turning in bed. Rehabilitation studies show that just 1 to 2 minutes of shoulder rolls can reduce stress by 25 to 30%. Lower nerve tension in the neck-shoulder area. Help the mind settle into sleep more easily. You roll your shoulders 10 times backward, 10 times forward, slow, gentle, without tightening your body. The upper half of your body begins to feel lighter, as if you've put down an invisible backpack you carried all day. Keycap 3-knee massage, smoothing the joints, easing the stiffness. After age 60, many people complain. My knees feel stiff, they crack, it's hard to stand up or sit down. That's because joint fluid decreases, making the knees dry, tight, or stuck. You place both palms over your knees and massage in circular motions. The movement is small, but it stimulates the body to produce more synovial fluid, the natural lubrication for your joints. Warmth spreads around the knees, the ligaments soften, and the muscles loosen. You'll feel less pain when the weather cools, lighter steps when walking, less effort standing up. Done consistently, this simple motion quietly slows joint degeneration and keeps your knees flexible. Keycap 4 gentle forward bend, instant lower back relief. All day, you sit, bend, carry light objects, but do it repeatedly. Your lower back is always tightening. Now, you sit or stand tall. Inhale softly and bend forward just slightly, only to a comfortable level. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then slowly rise. Each bend stretches your back muscles, draws blood into the lower back, releases pressure from the spine. The feeling of tightness and tension fades. Your back becomes softer and more flexible, especially when turning or shifting in bed. Your breathing slows, your nerves calm, bringing you closer to deep rest. Keycap 5 knee sway, opening the hip joint. The hip joint is the hinge supporting the entire upper body. After 60, it easily becomes stiff, making standing up and sitting down feel heavy. You sit on your bed, legs open, and gently move your knees left and right. This helps open the hip joints. Reduce the stuck feeling when standing. Ease pressure on the lower back. More blood flows to the hips and thighs, warming the legs and reducing fatigue. Joint fluid spreads more evenly, preventing hip degeneration and reducing grinding sounds. Your whole body feels lighter, no longer stiff like a wooden block after sitting too long. Keycap 6 warming the soles, activating the deep sleep point. Many older adults complain of cold feet at night. Cold feet, poor circulation, the brain can't enter deep sleep. You rub your hands together until warm, then massage the soles of your feet in circular motions. At the center of the sole is the Yonquan point, kidney 1. When warmed and stimulated, it reduces nervous tension, stabilizes the heart rate, supports deeper, more consistent sleep. You stroke from the heel up to the toes, feeling the warmth spread and numbness fade. Your body receives the message. Everything is safe. You can sleep deeply now. Keycap 7 wrist circles, reducing nighttime hand numbness. Hand numbness at night is incredibly common. It wakes people up, burning, tingling, forcing them to move or shake the hand. You extend one arm forward, lightly hold the wrist with the other hand, and rotate the wrist 10 times outward, 10 times inward. This releases pressure on the wrist nerves and warms the tendons and muscles. The result: better blood flow to the hands. A less numbness, less coldness. Smoother finger movement. No more waking up with dead hands. Just 1 minute before bed greatly lowers the chance of nighttime numbness. Keycap 8 calf stretch, preventing 3 a.m. leg cramps. Late-night calf cramps are the thief of sleep. After 60, calf muscles cramp more easily due to sitting too long, dehydration, poor circulation. You place one leg behind you, keep the heel down, bend the front knee, and feel the stretch along the back of the calf. Hold 10 to 15 seconds, then switch sides. Each stretch releases tight muscles, softens the Achilles tendon, increases blood flow to the feet. You'll experience fewer sudden night cramps, a less heel pain in the morning, more continuous, uninterrupted sleep. Keycap 9 hip relaxation, softening the spine. Stiff hips. The spine must overwork back pain, hip pain, and lower back fatigue. You sit on your bed, place the soles of your feet together like butterfly wings, hold your ankles, and gently move your knees up and down. Each rhythm gradually opens the hips, relaxes the lower back, improves blood flow in the lumbar, hip, glute area. Over time, this prevents spinal misalignment, reduces disc wear, and eases chronic lower back pain, something many older adults endure for years. When your hips soften and your back loosens, your breathing deepens and your mood becomes calmer. Keycap 10 Japanese deep breathing, locking the body into sleep mode. This is the final doorway of the nightly ritual. You sit or lie comfortably with a hand on your belly. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, belly rises. Hold for 1 second. Exhale for 6 seconds, slow, smooth, belly falls. After a few rounds, heart rate slows. Chest tension fades. Neck and shoulders relax. Your mind drains out the day's thoughts. Your parasympathetic nervous system, the system for rest and repair, becomes dominant.